All right, now this has got to be my most favorite template that I've created and posted on Miroverse. This template is called Hang Those Christmas Stockings. Now, as you can see, this is a very beautiful looking fireplace environment where an individual can hang their Christmas stocking, and in this stocking, they can put the gift that they want Santa to give them. All right, so now this is a great sort of template activity for your group of friends or your colleagues to run during Christmas. What you would want to do is you would want to share this template with them, and what they will do is they'll start by picking a Christmas stocking. So they copy one of these stockings from this hanging drying place, and then they would place that in this gift wrapping section. Now, in this gift wrapping section, they would want to place their gift below the Christmas stocking and then group them together. So, what do I mean by that? There's a little tip section over here, but what you'd want to do is you would want to place your stocking above the gift that you want to receive. So you place it below that, place it above that, and then group the elements together, right? So this is just some playground and tip that you would want to do. And then after you do that, you would want to copy this whole stocking and then place it anywhere in this house. And of course, you can just click the fireplace to just activate it. But yeah, you can place it anywhere in this house. And then during the session, what you can do is the facilitator can just go around uncovering what is inside each stocking and have this wonderful sort of celebration with your friends, with your colleagues, and with your group. Now, I've also created these empty frames where you can post, you can already add pictures of your friends, of your team members over here to personalize this fireplace environment. So there's a lot of photo frames over here. And of course, in these stands, on these stands, you can add different other things as well. So do check it out and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Give this video a like, do share it with your network, and of course, to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. See you in another video. Bye.